What's the meaning of Cox's orange pippin? Cox's orange pippin. Cox's orange pippin.
Cox's orange pippin. Cox's orange pippin. Cox's orange pippin is a type of apple cultivar that was first bred in England in 1825. It is popular for its sweet, aromatic flavor and firm, crisp texture. The apple has a deep red color overlaid with yellow-green patches and is medium-sized. It is often used for fresh eating and in desserts, especially pies. Cox's orange pippin is widely regarded as one of the best-tasting apples and is highly sought after by apple aficionados around the world.